Hello my lovelies and welcome to another crafting video, and I'm playing with my small journal cards, so I'm doing a little bit more to them. Another idea to show you, to give you a little bit more food for thought. See if you can do all sorts of different things with it yourself. So this is my design team project for Tracie Fox Creative and I'm really enjoying these. So I've already backed them. I mean, look at that, that's the lovely paper from the Teal kit of Tracie's, and I've put some book page on there. Now what I was thinking is I want to do sort of some double tags, and I don't know, my initial thought was that I was going to do them with these, but I'm not. I think they look a bit lost. What do you think? I think they do, don't they? Now the other thing I could use is, actual fact, I think I will use a couple of the butterflies for those two, because they've got the book pages in the background. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I've got some string, raffia. I feel as if these are quite organic looking, so I really want the string to sort of be organic. I didn't want to use sari silk or something like that because of these very much nature organic. We've got scraps of hessian in, so I thought this green string, well, it's actually paper string. Right, okay, now the thing is, therefore, do I want these a bit smaller? I think I do. Slightly. Oh dear. Bodgy cutting, that is. I think I cut them bodgy to start with. Trouble is, just try and straighten them up and end up with none left. And I'm going to use, do I use the same? Probably not, probably use the 7. Yeah, so I'm just going to round the, only trouble is sometimes the 7 leaves a funny notch in them and they annoy me. That's okay, that'll do. Right, okay then. So what I'd like to do is, got my crocodile. You could use any hole punch, and I'm going to use the small, let's take that up to there. I'm going to use the small hole, and I'm going to put some of this twine through it. I may as well do each one as we go along. So try and hold them two together, else it's going to be difficult. I could have done with my pokey tool, couldn't I? Seeing as we've got the smaller hole. Now I'm going to use the bigger hole. It's very difficult to get anything through that small hole when you use that. Just going to alter the settings a bit. That's better. You can get that through easy enough. She says. Right, okay. Now I've not put an eyelet in because I want them to be fairly loose and I want them to be able to move around. Now, do I want to put a bow in it? No, I don't. So I'm just going to cut that. That's nice, like that. Okay, and now, where did I put my Tracie labels? It's on here somewhere, yeah. Let's have a look, see. Oh, that might be quite nice. That one. See what I mean about labels? They always finish a project off. I just Just go and check that corner. I really do like them to have a nice selection, and sometimes you want something that looks a bit vintage, and other times you need something a bit more modern, but I think we will have that one there. Okay then, and I'm just going to, should have done that before I stuck it, shouldn't I? But never mind. Okay, very simple, but I like it. And then you've still got your space for writing on the back, so that's exactly what I wanted. So let's just trim. Ooh, that's a bit near the edge. Trim off that. There we go. Okay. Give it a punch. Now you could put this, I'm doing this as just as a thread through, but I mean you could put it through and tie it in a bow if you did want a bow. I'm not very good at estimating this. Don't half waste string because I'm a terrible judge. Right, let's have a look what label we'd like on the bottom of here. Oh, I've got seen that. So field notebook, I quite like that. Put that on the bottom of that one. There we go. Oh, I love them. Look at them. Love those. I'm not going to be using that one, it's a bit modern. Right, let's have a look at these then. Well, I'll have it that way. Right, I've got the yellow tea cards, and I thought these would look nice, but I'm not going to round these ones. Oh wow, look at that one. Look at that one. I'm thinking though, I'm going to take this white edging off it, just so we've got a contrast with that dark background. I'm not liking the white edging. And this is the beauty of using printables. Print some more off with the background for another project when you do want them on. Okay, yes, I like that. Now, also, I feel like I need a little bit of book page. Just to break that up a bit. Wanted it longer than that. Start again, Catherine. Let's start again. That's better. Just to break that up because it looks a little, the pattern's a little bit bright. Okay. Yeah. End of my string on. You watch, this will be too short now. Like that. Now, I'm not sure I want a label at the bottom. I don't know what I want. What have we got in here? Let's have a look at me. Oh, now then, that I've just thought it'd be nice to have a butterfly. Oh no, I'm going to put that on. Little busty kit. Don't ask me which kit I got this from. All I can say is they're all Tracie's, and sometimes they're the free ones from a Facebook group. Yes, I love that. Now then, this one I think it works. Is that the right way around? Do you know what, it's a bit hard sometimes with these. I think that's the right way with these tropical stuff, which is the right way up, which way is up. Ooh, got a wobble on. I haven't used this string for ages, and there was a couple of boxes I'd not unpacked still, and that's where I found it this morning. And right, do I want anything on the bottom of that or not? Probably not. Let's see if there's anything, something round. Oh, what's this? Oh, you know what I found here? Little itty bitty butterfly. Oh yes, can hardly hold it, it's that small. I don't know how I managed to cut that out. Not chopping its wing off. That's that one. And then last one, I think that one. Let's look at this. Oh, that's nice though. Is it too busy? Yeah, the thing with that one is the flowers are larger, so they don't clash with the background, because it's quite a busy background, isn't it? This one. Right. I had some of this in pink as well. I don't know if I've still got that. Some pink string. Give it a haircut. Right. Now then. Is that the helping hand chuckling in the background?
It's toddler time.
I think Nelson's tea time, is it then?
Yeah.
Nelson's tea time. I don't know how dogs know. They must have got an internal time clock. He knows dead on when it's time for his tea. Right. Right, there's the thing for me. I'm just going to ink round the edge and just to finish the white edgings off. Oh, I've enjoyed this. I've enjoyed these. That one. So if you do see the game Pictionary in the charity shops, but you don't want to play it, grab them because they make a lovely journaling card. Or tag or labels, gift cards. See, I love to put a handmade gift card on. You know, you see, you shouldn't be putting bought gift tags on when you're, you know, when you're a paper crafter and a junk journaler, should you? That's sacrilege. Nearly done, Nelson. He's saying, Mum, there's a starving dog over here. And this one. But you'll have to agree that, you know, because Tracie's done a lot of the hard work for you in this teal kit. She often does. Even with the tags, she often puts some background layers of stenciling and that together for you. Saves you the bother. Certainly good for us now we haven't got the space. It's funny how when you've got new carpets you don't like to craft, you don't like to do messy play. Right, okay then. So there's some more ideas of using digitals with charity shop playing cards. Okay then, my lovely, so please do put a like if you've enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Ring the bell. It lets you know when I'm uploading videos, because as you know at the minute there isn't a set pattern because of our internet situation. So please do put the notification bell on, and I will be very, very grateful if you subscribe. And to all my lovely subscribers that's been here a long, long time, and anybody new joining this week, thank you so much. Bye for now.